Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today I'm going to show you the tutorial of Wix, and here I'm going to show you how you can set the effect on the header of your Wix site to the disappear mode. So there are many modes that you can set it to the Wix site menu or the header. So recently I showed you how to give it a sticky effect of the header to the Wix site. But today I'm going to show you the disappear option so that you can use it and you can try once on your Wix site if you have a Wix site. So after watching this video, you will be able to do it easily by watching this tutorial, of course. So you can easily use that disappear option. So to start with, I open one of my editor of my Wix site, which I use every time to show tutorials to you guys and to record these tutorials for YouTube. And this is the Wix site and editor, and here I will click on header, and then you can see this is the header. I will click on it and click on settings, then click on disappears. So I will show you in a preview mode how it works on the live site. So in the preview mode you can check the changes that you have made. Okay, this is how it is. This is how it works perfectly, right? So please try it once after watching this tutorial. I hope you will understood. I hope you understood this. Thanks a lot for watching this. Stay tuned for more such videos and subscribe to our channel and share this video. Thanks a lot.